everyone, and welcome back to Next English Podcast. Are you nervous when someone asks you a simple question in English? Don't worry. In today's episode, you'll learn 50 common English questions and easy answers that you can use in everyday life. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice every day. Let's begin. 1. Question: What's your name? Answer: My name is Alex. 2. Question: How are you? Answer: I'm fine, thank you. 3. Question: Where are you from? Answer: I'm from Bangladesh. 4. Question: Where do you live? Answer: I live in Bogura. 5. Question: How old are you? Answer: I'm 20 years old. 6. Question: What do you do? Answer: I'm a student. 7. Question: Are you busy? Answer: No, I'm free. 8. Question: Can you help me? Answer: Yes, of course. 9. Question: What time is it? Answer: It's 3 o'clock. 10. Question: Is this your phone? Answer: Yes, it is. 11. Question: Do you like coffee? Answer: Yes, I do. 12. Question: What's your favorite food? Answer: My favorite food is rice. 13. Question: Can you speak English? Answer: Yes, a little. 14. Question: Do you have any brothers? Answer: Yes, I have one brother. 15. Question: What day is today? Answer: Today is Friday. 16. Question: What's the weather like? Answer: It's sunny today. 17. Question: Are you ready? Answer: Yes, I'm ready. 18. Question: What are you doing? Answer: I'm studying English. 19. Question: Do you like music? Answer: Yes, I love music. 20. Question: Can I sit here? Answer: Yes, please. 21. What's your favorite color? Blue. 22. Do you play sports? Yes, I play football. 23. Where do you work? I work in an office. 24. Are you married? No, I'm not. 25. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a cat. 26. What's your hobby? Reading books. 27. Can you drive? Yes, I can. 28. What did you eat today? I ate rice and vegetables. 29. What are you going to do tomorrow? I'm going to visit my friend. 30. Do you like movies? Yes, I do. 31. What's your favorite season? Spring. 32. How do you go to work? By bus. 33. Where is the bathroom? It's over there. 34. Can you repeat that? Sure. 35. Do you understand? Yes, I understand. 36. What's your phone number? It's 37. How much is this? It's $10. 38. Would you like some tea? Yes, please. 39. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6. 40. Do you exercise? Yes, every morning. 41. What's your dream job? I want to be a teacher. 42. Can I ask you a question? Of course. 43. Where are you going? I'm going home. 44. Do you have any questions? No, thank you. 45. What do you usually do on weekends? I spend time with my family. 46. Who is your best friend? My best friend is John. 47. Do you like reading? Yes, I do. 48. When is your birthday? It's in May. 49. Are you happy today? Yes, I am. 50. How was your day? It was great. Outro. Excellent job! You have just practiced 50 common English questions and answers. Don't just listen, repeat each question and answer aloud. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next English Podcast for more English lessons. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.